Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to update any product. So if admin click here update button, it will actually took admin to the new page, and from that page admin can update anything according to the product. Okay, so let's go back to the code editor. Here we have to actually go for the view product, and inside view product, so you will find it inside resources, then views, then admin, and then view product. Here you can see we have a link here. Okay, and this is for the update. So we are going to give here a route, so I can actually copy this route, and here you can see we have to actually pass here also the ID, so that actually we can update a specific product, right? And here we just have to change the delete to update product. So now let's go create this route in the web.php. Here I will paste it. Let's copy a get route, paste it here, change the name, and we have the ID also, so update product. Okay, so here we have to actually go for the update product function, and we haven't actually created, so go to the admin controller and create it. Here we have to say public function name, and we have the ID, so I'm going to say $ID. So through the ID we can actually find a specific product, so we can copy it and paste it here. And now we are actually will return a view from here. So I will say we want to create a view inside admin folder, so admin dot, then we will say update category. Okay, and we'll actually fetch this specific product with this. So here I'm going to say compact, and here we are going to paste it, but as we use single quotation, so we don't have to actually use here $sign. Now let's create this view inside admin. Here you can see inside resources we have views and then admin. Here we are going to create a new file. Let's save it as update category. Not really, we'll say here update. What I have done here, bro, so this is basically from update category. No, I will say here that update product, right? Yeah, update product duct. Okay, so let's copy this and go here and save it as update product dot php. Press enter, and now I will copy from add product because these are basically same. So let's copy this, we can actually paste it here, and here we'll just fetch only specific product. So here you can see we have here placeholder, so instead of placeholder we are going to add value. Okay, that's it. So here I'll say value, and inside value we are going to print the result. So inside admin controller, here you can see we have compared the product, so I'm going to copy this, and let's go back to here. Here I will say $product and the column name. So this is a product name, and we know for the product name we have a column here, and that is product name. So copy this and then paste it. So like this you have to actually change placeholder and paste value instead of placeholder. Okay, fine. And then we have a product category. We have here category and subbrands, right? Okay, so we can actually say here that okay, we will print the option we have. So here we are going to add one more option, one option, and here we are going to add specific, I mean we have the category name in our database. So here you can see if I go to the browse, we have category name as t-shirt, right? So we want to print it at first, so I'm going to copy it, paste it here, and here also we need a value, right? Yeah, here we are going to paste it. We should add here value, right? Use mistake, I'm sorry. So that's it, and this also we need to add value here. Need to add a value. Done. Okay, so here we have product category, right? So we have actually print our current product category. So let's go check our current product category column name is category name. So let's copy this, let's go here and paste it here. So now we get the current category name. Here you can see, if I go to the browse, we have current category t-shirt, right? So we got the t-shirt here, but let's our admin want to update the new option. So admin should, have the opportunity, right, to update all the categories. So here we are going to fetch all the categories, but we haven't actually compacted from this function, right? So here we will say categories is equal to, I will say category model : all. So we are going to fetch the category also and also the suppliers, right? So here I will say suppliers also is equal to supplier model : all. Now we'll compact suppliers and categories also. So categories, categories, suppliers also. Done. So now we have suppliers also, and here we are going to copy this and paste it in the supplier name also. So I'll add here one more option, and let's add a value for it and also the category. Okay, so now it will be supplier name, right? Copy supplier name and supplier name, current supplier name. Okay, that's it. So now here we will change it to update product. All right, and we need old image so that if admin want to update it, admin can update it, or otherwise admin will not update it. Okay, so here we'll add one more div, okay, so that we can say that, okay, this is the old category. So here we are going to add for the old category, I'll say old image. Okay, old image. Here we are going to show the image, so I'm going to say image, and here I'm going to set the style of the image to width, let's say width 100 pixel. Okay, 100 pixel. And source, we know this is inside public folder, so we have to actually say here asset, so that it can actually go for the public folder. And inside public folder we have a folder, and that is, here you can see db underscore image. So dv underscore img, and then we have to say slash, then we have to say dot, we have to mention the product image. So product, we have compact, and then the column name. The column name is what? Product image, maybe. Here you can see product image. Add here product image. That's it. And now if admin want, admin can add it, right? Okay. Upload new image if admin want, actually. Okay, so now let's say admin will now click on the update button right here. So it will go for what? It will go for a new route. So we have to say here post update product, and here we have to give the ID also. So here I'm going to say $product, because I need to update it for a specific product, right? We need product ID, ID. All right, so now let's create this route, web.php. We have to go for the web.php, and here we are going to paste it. And let's say I will copy a post method with the ID. Here you can see this is a post route, so let's copy this and paste it here. Let's change the name, okay, and change it, and change the URL also, and change the function also. And here we are going to say US capital and product as PS capital, right, for the product. And here we have the ID also. So yes, now let's go create this function in the admin controller. We'll go for the admin controller, and here we are going to create the function, public function post update product. And here we have now form, so request, then $request, then we have the ID also in the URL, so we have to accept it. Now we have to fetch specific product to the ID. So product is equal to, I'll say this one. I can copy this one, paste it here. So now we have this specific product, and now here I'm going to mention all the column. So you can actually copy everything from the add product, right? except the first one. Okay, so copy everything and add it here. And now we'll change the session message to update product. Okay, update product message, and I will say product updated successfully. So let's copy this. Let's go to the update product, and here we have a session. Just change the name. That's it. I want to refresh. I want to go for the update. Let's say I want to update it, and here you can see we have the old image, we have the product name, product quantity, price, and everything. And we know our supplier was Wasi, right? If I go to the view product, here you can see our supplier was Wasi. So I will actually open it in the new tab. Here you can see supplier was Wasi and category was t-shirt. Now I can actually change the category also. Let's say, yeah, it should be t-shirt, right? Okay, but let's say I want to change the supplier to Shihab, and I want to update the product quantity also, so 21, and I want to update the image. Let's say this image. So now I'll click on update product, and here you can see product updated successfully. If I go for the view product, you can see all the things updated successfully. But here is an issue, and I will solve it in the next video. Problem is, let's say I want to add product. Now let's say I just want to just give it a name, a random name, okay, and then random number. And if I click on add product, and it will show me an error. Here you can see the error. So this error is basically for the, if I go to the database, then migration, here you can see it is a product table migration file. Here you can see these are not nullable, right? So this is the main issue. So we have to actually give the value, otherwise it will show this error. So now I will actually solve it, not in this video. I'm going to create another video for this, so I will solve it. Okay, so guys, that's it. This is how admin can update, right? So we can update it, right? Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.